my channel. My name's Ali, and as you can see today, we're in the kitchen, we're cooking, we're making a bunch of food, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make Haitian Pate Kode with a chicken filling. You can use whatever filling you want, but I like chicken filling, so I'm gonna do mine with a chicken filling today, so stay tuned for that.
I am currently making the sauce that's gonna have the chicken, which we're gonna use to make the filling. We're gonna use this chicken right here that I'm making the night before to make the filling to put in the patty. It's gonna be so yummy. I'm making it as if I'm like making sauce, because like that chicken always comes out bomb. Well, this is what I use before, you know, like put the chicken on the stove and everything. This is a piece. If you don't know what it is, I suggest you look it up, because I suck at explaining things. And yeah, just some garlic, adobo, black pepper, and sazon. Okay guys, so we don't have tomato paste, so I'm gonna add this instead of tomato paste to it. So I'm gonna add just some of it, not like a lot. Like this. And then we're just gonna stir that up. Okay guys, so I put some onions in there, and then what we're gonna do next is just we're gonna put some water in this, and then like kind of like shake it up to like clean it out, I guess, and then just pour it right in there, just like that. Gotta improvise. And then we're going to like stir it up again, and then let it like simmer and boil. Okay, so we are done with our sauce. This is it. Look at it bubbling. It is done. I'm literally turning the stove off right now. I added some potatoes in there. Let's see, I'm gonna like get one. Yep, I added some potatoes in there. They're not all exactly the same size. I just cut them up and put them in there. I'm gonna use this sauce to like eat rice tomorrow and other things that I will possibly make. So that's why I like took my time to make it. And I'm gonna use the chicken that's in there to make the filling, or the patty. Alright, so yeah, see this? Ooh, wow, looks so good.
It's the next day, and I'm cutting up the chicken into little bits and pieces to make it more like ground meat. Right now, this is the filling right here. It's chicken that we just took and mashed up, and then we added celery and onions to it. We're gonna add some lemon, and yeah, that's about it. Now we're going to make the dough. The amount of flour you add depends on how much patties you're looking to make. And then we're gonna add a stick of butter. And now we have to break up the stick of butter to mix it with the flour. Now we're adding a water mixture of baking soda and salt. There is a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt in the water. I'm mixing everything together to make the dough. As As you're doing that, keep adding the water mixture little by little until the dry ingredients start to form the dough. When you're done, the dough should look like this. When the dough starts to pick up the pieces of dough and flour from your hands, that's when you know it's ready. Now we're just gonna let the dough sit for about an hour. My godmother also made some fried chicken. It was bomb. What do you do?
I'm
Helping get the dough ready?
yes.
Okay. There's the microwave in there.
What do you need the dough for?
Right here. This one? For the patty.
Oh, the patty?
Yeah.
So you're gonna take it apart?
Yeah, like take a piece, cut it up.
Longtemps c'était avec chicken. Ça vous donne une éclairée dans la
Kind of like open it up.
Okay, one piece. Cut it up.
Oh, can you bring
And then
that
you kind of like
down
open it up
outside?
like this.
Eka, buy pas more goggles, Simon.
Just like that. It's kind of big though, this one. This piece. I'm gonna take a little bit off of it.
I need my own sandal shoes.
Okay, so about so.
I'm making a patty with you, Mommy.
And then open it up and then you add the filling.
Ooh, the filling.
Good.
And then you close it up.
Mm-hmm.
I still have to flatten it up to put the filling in. Now I'm gonna put the
You
filling.
have to open it more to be flat like that.
Wow.
And then
That's
close
a
it.
little bit more. But it's not done. Okay, let's open it up now.
Just like this. Just like that.
Whoa.
Yep.
That's cool.
Make sure it's closed really good so that the oil doesn't get in when you put it in the fryer.
There.
Make sure you add a decent amount of oil so that the patty can be able to boil and cook on the insides, because if you don't have enough oil, it's not gonna really be the same. And also when you're adding your patties, make sure the oil is hot, but after you've added them, lower the volume a bit so that it's not too hot and doesn't like burn the patty. You don't want to bite into your patty just to notice that the dough isn't cooked. Like, that's not appetizing at all. Make sure to poke your patties and to make some holes in them. It helps the inside of the patties to cook faster. Also, make sure you're flipping your patties so that each side is evenly cooked. Keep an eye on your patties, because I've done this many times when I like lose focus and then I turn around and it's already almost burning. So make sure you keep an eye on it and stay close. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is where I made the mistake of thinking that the patty had cooled down, but in fact it was way too hot and I almost burned myself. So I had to cut it with a knife to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. You want the inside of your patty to be fully cooked like this. I know for a fact I'm not the only one that dances like this once they get food in their system. I know y'all are out here doing that. When your patties look golden like this, you can put the stove on a higher setting to get ready to take it out. Alright guys, so we're done and this is the finished product. Don't mind my crusty nails. Like, the salons have been closed and I have not gotten my nails done and they look disgusting. We also made some more fried chicken. They look good. So thank you guys for watching my video today. If you try this at home, let me know how it turns out and if you like it. And let me know also if you guys want to see me do any other videos. It doesn't have to be cooking. It could be anything and I'll try to see if I can do it. Like, put that down in the comments. And yeah, that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.